Mastering Precision and Conciseness in Formal English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into a vital aspect of formal English writing. We will be exploring how to use precise and concise language to make your formal writing more effective and clear. By the end of this video, you'll be able to enhance your vocabulary and tone to fit more formal contexts. Understanding the concepts of precision and conciseness is fundamental. Precision in language means using exact and specific words to convey your message. It helps to eliminate any ambiguity or confusion that might arise from vague language. On the other hand, conciseness refers to expressing a great deal of information in few words. It's about saying what you need to say without unnecessary verbosity. To put it simply, precise language ensures your message is clear, and concise language makes sure it's brief. Both are necessary to keep your reader engaged and to convey your message effectively. When it comes to embracing precise language, there are a few strategies you can adopt. Firstly, opt for specific, descriptive words over vague, general ones. For example, instead of saying, "I saw a bird," you could say, "I saw a crimson cardinal." The latter paints a much clearer image for your reader. Next, avoid jargon or overly complex words when a simpler one will do. Remember, the goal is clarity, not to impress your reader with big words. Finally, be wary of words that have multiple meanings, as these can introduce ambiguity into your writing. Conciseness is equally important as precision in your writing. To achieve it, avoid redundancy in your sentences. For instance, instead of saying, "I am writing to you in order to request your assistance," say, "I am writing to request your assistance." Another way to keep your language concise is by eliminating unnecessary filler words. Words and phrases like, "actually," "basically," "in my opinion," or "it seems to me," often add little value to your sentence and can be omitted. While both precision and conciseness are crucial, the key is to strike a balance between them. You want to be specific and clear, but you also need to keep your writing succinct and to the point. Sometimes, in the pursuit of precision, we might end up over-explaining, leading to a lack of conciseness. Other times, trying to be too concise can lead to a lack of necessary detail, harming precision. Remember, clear and effective writing often results from revising and refining your first drafts. So don't worry if it doesn't come naturally at first. That brings us to the end of our exploration of precision and conciseness in formal English writing. We hope you found this discussion enlightening and useful. Remember, mastering these skills will take practice, but they are well worth the effort. Until our next video, keep practicing, and happy writing!